This is if you watch one of my oldest video, this was the yellow CRX that I had before. We pulled about 695 horsepower on this, but it used to be a quarter-mile track car, but I converted it into circuit car. I'm planning to use it in Willow Spring, which is about in Rosemont, California. It's about probably about 60 miles away from here, roughly, from Lancaster. So anyways, this is what I did on this car. This is a fully built B20. No, B18. This is the LS VTEC also, with a 62-1 turbo. But all the stuff here are good. Tile, this is the tile wastegate, MSD distributor, Edelbrock, Victor X, intake manifold, AEM fuel rail, AEM regulator. It's a meter that gauges the pressure of the fuel flow. Filter for the fuel. That's why you will see two gauges in here. This one here monitors the flow from the filter, and then this monitors the flow into the fuel rail. I'm very iffy about this. So this is a tile blow-off valve. So this is a fully built engine. Just this head alone, this is a GSR head. I probably spent about almost $3,000 with port and polish and everything. Custom built turbo manifold. This is a Turbonetics 62-1 turbo. And if you get into the cabin, you will see it's got nothing there, but let me see if we could close the door, because we couldn't really see anything there. How about that? You can see better. You see, I've got all these gauges here. This is a Momo steering wheel that I use. The pedals are still like whatever. I remove all the trims to make it lighter. There's no trims in there. I'm using a Sparco seats, two of them. One is for the co-pilot, and it's got nitrous in the back. This 200 shot nitrous. You should probably see it from here. Yeah, this is a 200 shot nitrous with a fuel cell. There's a fuel cell. Yeah, this is a full race car, and you'll see the exhaust of this. The exhaust, we did it here. This is a 3-inch exhaust that we installed. Now that exhaust has a cutout in the middle here, so when you're going on a race, you open up the cutoff on the exhaust, so the exhaust, instead of coming out here, comes out from the middle. And this is that's a Honda computer that we're using, and it's got that igniter that's made by MSD. So that's what you see inside a typical race car. So this used to be a full drag car, but now we redeveloped it into a track car. It pulls up quicker. I used to have like a bigger turbo, but now it's a smaller turbo now, so it pulls up quicker. So that's what it is for the CRX race car. A lot of people had known me for this car.